Hey guys, happy Father's Day. It's when I'm recording this, and Daddy's job is never done. So we got a new TV, I got a wall mount today, and Evan will be installing a wall mount bracket for a TV. So hit like, subscribe, and we'll get this hung up in no time. Okay, so I'm gonna try to find the center line of this wall. So I'm gonna try to find the center, mark it, find the stud finder. You just press on and run it. So then you mark that spot. You come to the other side. You mark that spot. And then in the middle, that's your stud. That's where you want to mount a bracket for a TV, right into the studs. You don't want to use wall anchors, especially if your TV's over so many pounds. That should be in your instructions with whatever wall mount you end up getting. If you have a smaller TV, I don't know, some of them you might be able to put right into the sheetrock. But for this one, I'm going to have to put it right into the wall stud. So I'm going to measure on center and then see how close to center I can get the bracket. There's a little bit of wiggle room, not much, because I pretty much maxed out my bracket that I bought. So I have to go right at the edges. I only have like half an inch I can play with. So we'll see how close to center I can get. If it's not perfect, that's fine. It's in the bedroom. No one's going to see it but me. So, all right, updates later. Open the door, keep it tight before that happens. Smart thing would probably just be run it on the ground. Sorry. One hand bandit. Alright, right at the edge. So we have, it's a 12-foot wall. That makes it easy. So we'll go 6 foot, make a mark. 6 foot. Make a mark on the wall, go from there. Alright, so I found the center of room, and then I outlined my closest studs to it. So see how the bracket lines up to that. And it looks like I'll be able to get the bracket into both studs. So perfect, I'll hang that, and then I have to attach the brackets onto the back of the TV, and then we're good to go. Now hold it like this and videotape Dad putting the TV on the wall, okay? Are you watching Daddy with it? Good job.
Is mess. You'll take the fan. I'll take that fan in.
It's locked in.
And we'll take my fan real quick. Take my fan real quick. Yep. And there's this bedroom. Yep. And the balloon fan. Let's see if it works. there's that fan on. And now I'm take my fan on. There. I'll take my next fan on. There. Now take all the switches upstairs. That one. That one. And that switch.
Go, buddy.
And those switches. And these switches. And oh wow.
Baby's sleeping. You gotta stay in here for a minute.